So I have an interesting technique here. Paul pulls and then I push with my feet. This vinyl is extremely stuck on. Been rolling it up.
Ready?
And then go. Not easy, folks. So our last piece of vinyl, home stretch.
Side. And now.
It's a lot easier when I'm not holding a camera. I think I loosened that end before we started. Hopefully that'll come up.
That's it.
It's like we just had a rubber baby. That's it, folks.